Hello and welcome to the third tutorial in a series that aims to assist you with using and understanding the VELUX plugin for ArchiCAD. In this episode, you will learn how to roughly configure a sloped roof window solution. A more in-depth configuration with flashing, lining and installation products is covered in the next episode. Let's open the Product Configurator. The first tab provides an overview of window families, products, sizes and variations, and can be used to roughly configure a window. The next tab, called Window, can then be used for fine-tuning the window configuration. All product groups are available if you have not chosen a specific market in Model View options. Premium products are sold worldwide, while Standard and Standard Plus products are subject to regional limitations. To the left, we have the options to filter between families and products. In the product family, we can choose between center pivot, top hinged, special functions, balcony and terrace, new standard, and conservation. After selecting a product family, we can choose a product from several product lines. For example, a manual top-operated window or a VELUX active compatible Integra window, which can be controlled automatically with sensors or any smart home technologies. The window size matrix in the middle shows available window sizes marked with white squares. And to the right, you can choose the preferred frame and sash material, cladding, and a glazing. Under Priority, we can set the design priority. With the priority set to Window, we should start by choosing a window family, product, and variation, which will then filter out non-available window sizes for the selected configuration. Here we can choose to add a fixed extension. This extension is a fixed window, which will be connected below the configured window. Remember to choose a glazing for the extension as well. The VELUX Active selection here will not add any geometry to the project, but add a VELUX Active product to the product schedules. These schedules containing bill of materials will be explained in a later video. If you wish to insert a VELUX Active object into the model, then you can do so with the Object tool. Here you will as a minimum need a starter kit, which includes a gateway, an exit switch, and a rim switch with sensors. With extension elements, we have exit switches and rim switches with sensors. These extension elements might be needed if there are multiple rooms with roof windows or more than one exit. Let's go back to the Window Configurator. We can navigate to the Window tab by either clicking on the right arrow, selecting Window in the drop-down menu, or by clicking these three dots. A button with three dots is always representing a shortcut in the configurator. In this dialog, it is also possible to change the product group, product family, product line, and size. Here, we can also choose a framing structure and a glazing type here. The thermal properties of the glazing and window can be viewed here. The cladding can be changed here, where we also have the option to add a glazing bar. This glazing bar can be used to create the appearance of a traditional conservation window. The color override in the bottom will be explained in another episode. The roof pitch and thickness can be viewed in the top. This information is automatically recognized from the product host and does not have to be manually typed. The opening angle only affects the visual 3D representation of the product. Now the window is closed, but we can open it by entering and opening angle like so. This only works on products where the LOD, or level of detail, is set to 250 or higher. Going back to the configurator, we can see the VELUX window code for this current window configuration in the bottom. This concludes our tutorial on how to roughly configure a sloped roof window. The next tutorial in this series will be on a detailed configuration of a roof window solution with flashing, lining and installation products. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, VELUX Building Simulation Tools, for more tutorials and updates.